You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn actual vocabulary from Singapore, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to hear and learn from two different pronunciations here in English. Singaporean, that's British English pronunciation. Singaporean, with a stress on the por syllable, the third syllable. Singaporean. Now, in American English, it can also be pronounced as Singaporean. Yes, with a stress on the fourth syllable, the re syllable. So two correct pronunciations in English: Singaporean or Singaporean. Yes, indeed. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.